Good. All right. So we're gonna update the electrical standard times. Okay. So we have two spreadsheets that happen. So under scheduling and planning, under assembly job prep,
Mhm.
we've got two spreadsheets. One is an electrical assembly rate. So we're going to open that first. This is where I get all my data from past that said, here, this is what we ran per termination. And we're going to update the times for wire pull, panel building, machine wiring, and box punching.
Okay.
So we're just going to do one example. So I'm going to take wire pull. And this is KISS baking. So I'm going to find a similar system,
Mhm.
which is a bulk packer. So I'm just going to copy that, insert it up there. Type in the sales order, company name.
So you're creating it as you're going.
Yep.
Okay.
So my termination count that I had for East Bulk was 1232, and I have a rate of 0.92.
Mhm.
This is how I get my terminations. I open another spreadsheet within that folder. And it's called copy of terminations 2, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so I've got this calculation thing. I go to my computer.
Mhm.
We'll get you set up with this. There's a folder under the basic drive called electric. Within here, there's projects and all that stuff. They put their stuff in via projects.
Right.
This is a bulk packer system, so it's folderized by product line, bulk packer. And I come down to the bottom and I find mine. There's KISS. They have this folder called Pulls and Labels. I open this.
Mhm.
So I've got God, these guys. Alright. They keep changing it every time. It's like they get more organized.
Mhm.
So I have box labels. I open this. So these box labels are for the control panels that they're building, right?
Sure.
So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to do wire pull.
Mhm.
Open up this wire pull, I get this notepad of terminations.
Right.
I do edit, select all, copy,
Mhm.
come over here, delete that row A, column A,
I see.
Control V. Alright, so I got a little bit of a FUPAR in here. Usually that does not happen.
Could be anything. Decimal space. It could be
It
anything.
is decimal.
Yeah.
So they look like they miss it, which
Mhm.
is okay. So it'll come up, it'll sum. So I write that down. 898. That's my wire pull.
Mhm.
Now it looks like there might be another one in here. And so I've got a couple, right? Install labels, wire pull for heater plugs, main to the machine. So this is just a label termination that says here's all the wires I need to wire everything together. So I'm going to do this one from machine to main. I'm going to do the same thing. Select all, copy, delete, paste.
Mhm.
So 364. I think I got one more. Edit, select all, copy.
So you just spawn them in there just to get the summary.
Yep.
Okay.
Now after I have that, come back to my termination, and I plug in my numbers for KISS. 989, 364, plus 240.
Oh, total.
It's a total.
Okay.
Because this is all the wires that are going to have to
Okay.
pull to generate. So we've determined that for if I have a total of 1,500 terminations,
Mhm.
I have a rate of 0.92 per termination. That backtracks and gives me the estimated hours that it's
Okay.
going to take for wire pull.
Good.
Cool?
Mhm.
All right, stop.